Downloading your account data from Wells Fargo can help you keep track of your finances and manage your records effectively. Follow these steps to easily download your account data. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website and enter your username and password to log into your online banking account. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to account activity. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main menu. Click on it to view your account details. From there, select the specific account for which you want to download data. Step 3. Access download options. After selecting your account, look for the Statements and Documents or Account Activity section. Click on it to find options for downloading your account data. Step 4. Choose the data format. Select the format in which you want to download your account data. Common formats include CSV, PDF, and Excel. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Step 5. Download the data. Click the Download button after selecting your preferred format. The file will be saved to your device. Check your Downloads folder to access the file and ensure it contains the information you need. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from Wells Fargo. Regularly keeping your financial records updated will help you manage your finances more effectively.